Hi, this is Savva, Technical Director of Cool UK, and today I'm going to share with you some of the beautiful, iconic places where we carry out our installations. For 12 years now, Cool UK has been installing in some of the most beautiful locations all over London. We specialise in London apartments using our very niche, specialist, fully internal DC inverter solutions. Number one, the iconic Regents Park. Anyone who knows that area knows there is no way you would get permission to put anything on the outside. We've installed a number of our air conditioning systems in apartments and homes all around that area. Going south of the river, you have developments such as One the Elephant and the Strata, which are iconic buildings which have all been part of that regeneration of that area, and we have carried out a number of installations there also. Thirdly, moving slightly north of Elephant and Castle, you have the Tower Bridge area. We have carried out numerous number of installations there, be it from small apartment blocks to the new high-rise apartments that they're putting up. Number four, we move slightly west to Kensington and Chelsea, where when it comes to listed properties, you really can't get a more iconic area than Kensington and Chelsea. So being a specialist within those sorts of properties, you can see why we have carried out a number of installations within that zone. Number five, Notting Hill and Holland Park. When it comes to a real mix of the more modern buildings and older listed, you really can't get more iconic than those areas. Now, we've had to be really creative with some of our solutions there because the planning constraints, etc., and the permissions allowed for anyone to put anything on the outside of their properties is really stringent and strict within those zones. However, being the specialists we are and the vast experience we have successfully been able to find custom solutions for all of our clients within these zones. So today I've just given you a quick snapshot of the type of areas and the type of homes that we install in, but of course we cover all of central London. If you live in that zone, we have a solution for you. So for more in-depth case studies, please do visit our website or give us a call on the number below if you have any questions. Thank you.